Right, hello, it's William. Welcome to my channel. So let's continue our journey of making a novel writer. Previously we made something like a chat bot, and after that I modified a little bit. So right now it's something like this. Let me show you. So basically, if you run this app, you got something like this. You can add a plot summary. Okay, I add a little bit like option menu. You can add different characters. You can add different chapters. So chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you can increase this here, and of course you can switch from writing style. So say you're writing a passage, or writing a dialogue, or writing a monologue, or write a description. You can switch, and of course there is a switch of creative mode. So let AI take the steal and write creatively. Okay, let me show you how it is done. So right now you can click the plot summary and say William Jamin is a indie dev who accidentally write. Okay, I'm going to do something crazy. Okay, write a app that originally help help writer to write novel, but realize that the app make novel come true in real life. Okay, sorry, my phone just got ring. I just a lot of a scam right now. But realize that app make novel come true in real life. Okay, and that is crazy. Yeah, let's do it. Add character. Okay, so for example, William Jamin. Okay, the hero. Okay, I can add, and then I can add whatever. So for example, I got a song called Ian. Okay, and that will be the William's song. Okay, and I'm going to write some bad like the villain here. So for example, I'm going to say there will be Bill. Okay, the bad guy, Bill, Killer Bill. Okay, so the bad guy. Okay, you can add multiple characters out here, and then at chapter 1 you can write a passage, say what's going on here. So I'm going to use the dictation. Okay, and because the Apple's dictation is not perfect, it's not like Whisper, it's not like 3 gigabytes, 4 gigabytes model that can perfectly transcribe your text. But I kind of intended that because AI can understand even you got some typo or wrong transcribe. A pretty dark setting, and William is alone in his room trying to create this novel writing software, and yeah, something like that, and make the tone pretty dark. Not make the tone pretty dark, make the tone pretty dark. Okay, so pretty dark setting, yeah. Let's send. Okay, I don't know what I'm talking about. It's just some vague thing. Okay, let's see the result. Okay, a flickering fluorescent light casts a long skeletal shadow across William James' cluttered room. Empty energy drink and literally stacks. Oh my god, that's literally my life. A graveyard ambition and caffeine theory night. Dust moles dancing weak blame eliminated a tiny malevolent spirit. Outside the city mourned a low, glottal symphony of distant sirens and muffled siren. Unseen creatures. Unseen creatures, oh my god. He hunched over his keyboard, glowing for his entire eyes, and colored running vortex of cryptic symbols as from his both salvation and damnation. His finger, stained with the residue of countless ski strokes, Flocker's skis, the frantic dance of recreation and desperation. The, yeah, you have to admit, they use a lot of big words. He was chasing a dream, a monstrous, beautiful dream of crafting a perfect tool, a software that would unlock the writer's deepest potential, a digital muse. But tonight the air filled thick with something else, something darker than usual, a premonition. Oh my gosh, really big words. Perhaps, or the insidious whisper of something unnatural. The hum of his computer seems to deepen. Discordant. Oh my gosh, discordance. This is like using a. We seldom use this word in real life, I think. Maybe it's because of me, okay? Because, but this is a pretty writer style, okay? Counterpoint to see this more for a song as if the very machine was training on this weight of the code he was weaving. This wasn't just a program, it felt like it was summoning something he couldn't comprehend, something he might not be able to control. The shadows seemed to deepen, closing a silent, a watchful audience to his solitary struggle. Oh my gosh, it's really, really good. This writing is pretty good. So I'm going to add a dialogue, okay? And Ian entered the room. Ian is pretty young, like just a kid, and he did not understand but interrupt William, and they have a conversation in which Ian asks William what is he doing, and William, make up something that she's working on something that, just try to explain it in kids' terms, and put Ian to bed, something like that. Okay, and okay, I'm going to fix some of typo because right here, I believe this is a bottleneck here. Right here, I'm going to use, maybe later I'm going to use some model to make the dictation like more smooth. But right now it's enter the room pretty young, like a kid. Understand? Yeah. Let me send it, and it's a dialogue, so there should be more dialogue. Okay, so let's see the result. Dad, Ian's small voice cut through the oppressive silence. A tiny bell in the echoing room. William flinched. Oh my god. Startled from his concentration. He turned his eye, bloodshot and wary, fixing on the fluorescent lights in the glint of his glasses, making him look even more gaunt. Hey, buddy, William murmured, trying to sound casual support from distance. What's up? Yeah, small one hesitant stood in the doorway, glanced a bit. What are you doing there? Appeared the glowing screen. Reported confusion, word clothes was William swallowed, long past his ear. Couldn't explain. Not really. Oh, I was working with really tiny invisible dog. See? He pointed vaguely at the keyboard. He's working on a really, really tiny keyboard. This is a magical keyboard. Only invisible can work on it. You take it and say, is like invisible? Yeah, invisible. And he's writing a story, a very long story, super duper long story, super secret mission. Yes, I write the slide as secret mission. William forced a smile, feeling strange. Yeah, super secret, invisible dog, magic keyboard, short writing mission is very important. It's very triggered the sweat spoon of his temper. This was getting out of hand. He needed to think of a better explanation, and soon. Yeah, pretty good. In fact, it's pretty good, pretty intense. And of course, you can switch on creative mode. It's just get longer, get more creative, and then you can like increase to chapter 2, something like that, and then the bill, then coming, yeah, all that. Because I think AI already know that the relationship here, so character relationship and plot summary already here. So it's like a constantly remind AI what we are working. So it's a pretty cool, already pretty cool. So yeah, so this is this program that I've been working on, and so if you're interested, I'm going to quickly go through how I achieve it, but it's not like a tutorial, like step-by-step tutorial sort of thing. It's more like a like devlog sort of thing, but also semi-devlog, semi-tutorial, because it's more like projects based tutorial. I'm not going to guide you step by step, but I'm going to explain this by go through the project together. And by the way, if you want to use my code, download my code, download the source code, and even use that commercially, you can do that. Join the Patreon, okay? And of course, I need your support. Okay, so I'm going to quickly go through what's going on in my code. Okay, so let's do it. So basically, the code works like this. Okay, this is the code. So basically, I got this content and keychain manager. Okay, so I believe I already introduced you guys to the keychain manager. So right now, everything is just clustered together in the content view. So let me quickly go through all this code so you guys know what's going on. Let me just make it smaller. Okay, so basically, I just declare a more sort of a data structure: story context, plot summary, characters, current chapters. It's just integer, right? Characters, writing style, and writing request. Okay, it's creative or not. Which kind of writing style do you want? Okay, just pass it in, and all the contents. And chat message, we got different chat message. Okay, because I'm going to actually show all this chat history here. Okay, so get all this ID, writing request, string, and date. So you got a timestamp so it can be ordered. And then inside the content view, declare everything. Okay, especially the API key. And I store that safely in the keychain, so you don't need to worry about the safety issue. And we got this edge split view. Okay, so that means that it's a horizontally split. Okay, so got like different section, and then the API. I believe we covered the API management, so I'm not going to go through all that. It's just remove API, all that, yeah, and get API key and store that in here. Okay, you can later change it by here and remove it. Right now it's automatically saved, so it doesn't really matter. Okay, so go back to the content view, and we got this user interface. So basically, here is the left side. Okay, story context, summary, characters, all that, and different writing style, different things. And then scroll view is just a dialogue, like chat history. Okay, put everything inside. And if you haven't entered the API key, then you do not show it, and then show it. And then just loop everything. Okay, and then at the right style, you got like a text editor, you get input text, and you can send. Okay, so really simple one here. And send message. And then we got this story context, plot, characters. This is like a prompt. Okay, so the prompt will be the context that I send to AI, and then I plug in users inputs in here. So it's sort of like reorganize the prompt and have some like basic prompt embedded inside, and user like get some switches so you can automatically add things inside. Okay, and then send that to the API, and then just wait for this JSON, and then just all this, wait for the data, return back, and async, and cache the JSON parsing, and then get this content. Okay, then we can successfully print this content out. So basically, that's what is going on. If you want to quickly download it, you don't want to follow along, I believe I'd rather like show you guys all the code. So if you don't want to type all this yourself, you can just join the Patreon. You can just download the whole project. But I strongly recommend that if you do know what you are doing, there are a lot of things that you can modify. It's not a final project yet. So for example, right now it's just using the default dictation rather than some whisper or some like the AI model. Okay, I probably think this should be an AI model that can get things better. This is one thing. The second thing is that I haven't been able to like export things, but of course you can just copy and paste things here. But it would be better if I can like reorganize the passage and click and then like export that. So that's what I'm working on later. Okay, so so if you are a writer yourself, okay, you want add some features and want me to develop more features for this app, and you can leave in the comment section, and I'm going to consider that in the development process, and finally show you guys the final product. Okay, don't forget to give me a thumb up, subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks, bye.